Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Here is the job postings from today as on the date 11th November 2020. The candidates, those who want to apply for the right positions, please do watch my full video. The first vacancy is from Al-Inwan Medical Center in Fujairah for the position of assistant pharmacist. Both the male and female candidate with an experience in UAE can apply for this position. And the duty timing is 8 hours. The salary package is from 82,500 plus other benefits. You can apply directly from the company website or can contact in the below provided numbers. The next vacancy is from a catering company in Abu Dhabi for the position of hygiene officer and HSE officer. South Indian males with an experience of 1 to 2 years in UAE can apply for this position. The salary package is from 83,000 plus company food plus accommodation and transportation. You can forward your resume to the below provided email ID. Next vacancy is from Ras Al Khaimah for the position of safety officer. Male candidate with an experience of 5 years in manufacturing can apply for this position. The candidate must be qualified in HSC or chemical engineering plus an above certificate. Salary package is unspecified. You can forward your resume to the below provided company email ID. The next vacancy is from ASCO Group in Dubai for the following positions of cashier, grocery staff, home delivery staff, receiving supervisor, fruit and vegetable supervisor, duty store supervisor, and shift leader supervisor. Those who have an experience of 2 years in a similar field can apply for this position. The salary package is unspecified. You can forward your resume to the below provided email ID. The next vacancy is from EcoPower Security Services in Dubai for the position of security guard. Male candidate with an experience of 1 year in UAE can apply for this position. The candidate must have license in SIRA and DPS. Salary package to be discussed. You can forward your resume to the below provided email ID or can WhatsApp in the below provided number. Next is an urgent requirement for the following position of commissioning operator, electrical supervisor, senior HSC engineer and mechanical supervisor. Candidate with an experience in offshore electrical projects can apply for this position. The salary package is unspecified. You can forward your resume to the below provided email ID. Next vacancy is for the position of mechanical draftsman in Fujairah. Male candidate with a minimum 5 years of experience in a similar role and 1 to 2 years of work experience in UAE can apply for this position. The candidate must have qualified in mechanical related field and work experience in pipe isometric drawings and wastewater treatment plant is an advantage. Must be expert in AutoCAD 2D and 3D, MS Word and MS Excel. The salary package is negotiable plus accommodation, transportation, food allowance and other benefits. You can forward your resume to the below provided email ID. Next vacancy is for the position of accountant in Dubai. The candidate with a minimum of 2 years experience in UAE can apply for this position. Must have done bachelor's in commerce. The candidate with an excellent English language skills and strong computer skills can apply. The salary package is from 85,000 to 10,000 plus other benefits. You can forward your resume to the below provided email ID. The next vacancy is from Millennium Hotel in Al Barsha and Abu Dhabi for the following positions of guest service agent, events executive, F&B supervisor and waiter and waitress. Male and female candidate with an experience of 1 to 2 years can apply for this position. Must have a degree or a diploma. The salary package is from 82,000 to 89,000 depending upon the positions. You can forward your resume to the below provided email IDs. The last vacancy is from Chin Group Restaurant in Dubai for the following position of service crew, waiters and waitress, bike rider, car driver, front house service staff and kitchen helpers. The salary package is unspecified. You can forward your resume to the below provided email ID. Hi friends, if you find my video useful, please subscribe to my channel for more daily UAE jobs and for the job related queries, and also press the bell icon for receiving daily UAE job notifications immediately onto your phone. If you have any doubt regarding any of these job postings, please do let me know in my comment box below. Good luck on your job search and may God bless you all.